So we're temporary solutioning because I'm gonna probably have to fix that mount there and the mount on the bottom, because unfortunately they look like they're ovaled. I will show if there's a picture of that. I haven't done the fronts yet. Those will be probably tomorrow. Day 2, I've already gone and taken off the old shock. It's 18mm socket and a socket wrench on the side, because you got a nut and a bolt. And what we're putting on this side and the other side as well, but I'm only going to show you the one side, are these outboard mounts. So I have to take out a 10mm bolt that's up in this area here. I can't really, right there. You see it? Yeah, that one there. That's got to come out so that this can go in, because it actually ties in through that hole. But first, we need to size up this hole so that we can fit this bolt through it, because maybe we don't. Looks like it might be the right size already. Normally you need to size that up to a 3/8 inch, and it looks like mine's fine, so I'm not gonna do any drilling for that. Get the 10mm here in most of the way, hand tighten this 14mm, which is included with the kit. I didn't have to drill mine out. You may have to drill yours out. Mine came with a bolt and piece to replace this. Alright, I've gone through, and here, we'll zoom out a little. Went through, tightened down. The included bolt and nut are 19mm, unlike the instructions that say to reuse the original factory 18mm. And now it's a case of put shock in the top, and then get the bolt ready for down here, which they did include another bolt with lock nut for this piece, or nylock. Alright, so I've got the new Rocksport shock, which, if you'll notice, has just one side that kind of sticks out. That side will go in where the AEV shocks that I had them on each side. So in this case, it's going to go in like this and slide up in there. Alright, so what the keen eye of you may have noticed is that that eyelet is going this way, but this one goes this way. So what needs to be done is that when I cut the line here, or the holder, then I need to twist this slightly like this. And then it will fall right into place, and I will put this bolt, which was included, through. So we're going to go ahead and cut this, which is then going to start coming down, which obviously I didn't do fast enough, but I'm going to get this bolt ready to go here. There we go. And then just got to get it through the other side, which isn't quite aligned now. Alright, so after riding the struggle bus, I went and took the top one out first, put the bottom one in, and then now I'm going to tighten these. This one is 80 foot-pounds, the bottom one's 75. Also have to do the cross 175 and retighten the 14mm and the 10mm, because I was using the adjustments that are very few and far between for this. Maybe my bracket's just slightly out of whack. Alright, everything seems to be good now. So, I took it for a test drive. Feels great. However, I'm not going to get the chance to go out and actually try it anywhere other than the road. Which, the road, you could feel the problems as it was. So, now that it's all done, those are in place, and that's kind of how it's set up now. Down the line, I'll probably change springs to match, then probably do control arms. Just go piece by piece, slowly. But that's gonna be it for this video. It's definitely oval there, as you can see. Yeah. So that's not my hand. We got Kurt here. He's from Busted to Built. I don't know why I always say it backwards every single time.
Tongue twister. Yep.
So he's over here cleaning out things. And then we're welding them back up so that they won't be ovaled anymore. Got a lot better up there.